Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix this unlicensed Adobe will be disabled an error in Photoshop. Run the Photoshop application without the internet. Photoshop can identify your software information if you don't have the internet. If you are using the pirated version of Photoshop, always follow the below steps and edit CC Stopper firewall settings. CC Stopper is a script file that stops all running background Adobe apps. Run the CCS Stopper file as administrator and file A and create a firewall block for following path: CCS Stopper selection 2 for internet, patch 1 for firewall block, and patch of ATS and CPR, and edit the host file and open the CCS dropper selection v2 for internet patch for host file and telnet.bat, and edit the host file located in. And for Windows, navigate to C, Windows System 32 drivers, etc. Right click on host file and click select open with notepad and write the IP address details below and block photoshop.exe in the firewall. And this unlicensed Photoshop app will be disabled for soon. In bond rules, permanently block the Photoshop applications in the firewall, whether you are using the licensed or unlicensed Photoshop. Sometimes the warning message appears even if you use the licensed software, since Photoshop finds something abnormal. And navigate to the Windows search bar and type firewalls, select Windows Defender firewall with advanced security and select the inbound rules. Select new rule and follow the steps. Rule type program next and program path. Right click the Adobe and Photoshop app, open the file, copy the URL of the file and paste the URL into this program path field next, and block the photoshop.exe file in antivirus software. Even after creating the inbound and outbound rule, sometimes you will see the Adobe's warning message, and because by default all settings will be managed by antivirus software, if you have installed in the system and create a rule does not work. And if you need to block the photoshop.exe file from the antivirus software also and install the older version of Photoshop, usually the warning message appears often Photoshop's latest versions. And if you are using the latest version of Photoshop v23, uninstall and install the photo version 22 series to avoid the warning message. Now you can successfully disable the message unlicensed Adobe app. And thanks for watching us.